Back with a new sneaker pickup. This is a pickup from Barney's. They had a 40% discount on the Y3s, and also eBay's has 6% cash back. Decided to pick it up. They had my size, and let's get to it. It's freaking hot. Washington has like the 80-degree weather. See that packaging, Barney's, with that little gift wrap. Alright, all this gift wrap. See that Y3. Yoji Yamamoto. Here you go. Went with a size 7. These are the Y3 Retro Boost. Here's that price tag. Retail is $350. So yeah, let's go. This comes with the blue wax laces. Comes with 2 dust bags. That's what all Y3s come with. There you go, 2. Sneakers. These are a boost. That's why I picked it up. And I saw that they have my size, so here you go. It's like a royal blue. Has that neoprene. And then has that stripes. Blue and white. Has Y3 on there. Yoji Yamamoto. Has the 3 stripes on the back of the heel tab. Has a small hint of suede. And on this side as well. You see that boost, just like a pure boost. On the bottom right here, it says Y3. Sick. There's the other pair. Yeah, here's the other pair. Same thing. Y3 tag. And all that goodie. Just a quick pickup from Barney's, New York. Quick shipping, 2 days. And second pair of Y3s. Happy about these. Can't wait to wear these. It's all boost, man. Boost all day, every day. So, new pickup. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.